What's up guys, I'm Cody. This is my 05 Forester XT. This is my new YouTube channel, Cars and Cody. On this channel I'm going to be working on my car, Chris's car, some of my friends' cars, as well as going behind the scenes on the legacy build, other cool builds, as well as just going to car shows and doing car things. I'll be making how-to videos, install videos, automotive videos, and specifically if you guys have questions or specific requests on something, feel free to reach out to me and we can make a video on it. Like I said, this is my 05 Forester XT that I'm going to be modifying. I have a whole bunch of parts already ready to go for it, so we're going to make a whole bunch of content. I also have other cars that might be getting modified on the channel as well, like an E30 BMW, a Mini Cooper R56, and a Honda Accord. That's the daily. As well as Chris's legacy that we've seen so much of. That's going to make a comeback as well.
There'll be probably a lot of videos on that because it breaks all the time, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, it's sad.
Yeah. Hopefully you guys like the channel and you guys subscribe, and you guys leave some comments of what you want to either see me build, make, install, repair, anything.
Can't you fabricate?
I can fabricate a lot.
Wow, you made like a car rig for Anthony's car, didn't you?
Yep, and you guys will see that in this channel as well.
So not just like putting stuff in your engine bay, but also literally creating stuff from nothing and how to do that. It's pretty creative, man.
Thanks, buddy.
Wow, what's the name of the channel?
Cars and Cody.
Wow, and why should people subscribe?
Because I'm awesome.
Make sure you guys subscribe to Cody's channel. We're gonna go install actually a cold air intake from Grimspeed on his Forester XT right now. He's gonna show you the before and after information about the intake. He's gonna go much more in depth than you guys see in my videos on my channel, the Crispy Media YouTube channel. So if you guys wanna know more about what we do and more about what goes into cars, more about what goes into modifying your car, what goes into any of the small details about when you're modifying your car or creating something or fabbing something or just something fun relating to, are you sab squatting?
I don't know, I'm just trying to make it interesting.
Anything fun or anything interesting that can go into modifying a car and making it your own, Cody's gonna go into detail about that, teach you guys, walk you guys through it. If you need the help, comment down below. He can pretty much help you guys out with anything that you guys want, and he'll make a video about it. That's what his YouTube channel is gonna be all about. So go show him some love, go show him some support, subscribe to his channel. We're gonna go install a Grimspeed cold air intake right now on there, and he'll also have a video, an install video on that, going in depth all about it. And Cody, why should they subscribe again?
Because we're gonna have a grimming good day.
Yeah, that's not good. Subscribe to Cody's channel, guys.
Yeah.